So in today's class we are starting with MATLAB scripting. So the first concept is arrays. Okay, so we will learn about arrays in the MATLAB. So after that we will learn about the structures. Okay, so then we will discuss about the cell arrays. Okay, next we will import one Excel sheet. Okay, so we import one Excel sheet and we will open the file and we will check the all the details inside that file. Okay, so after that we will create Excel sheets, .csv sheets, MATLAB files and all using some programming commands. Okay, then we will work on time vectors. Okay, so then there are data pre-processing basics. Okay, so we will try to discuss all these topics in today's class. Okay, and the first one is the arrays. Okay, arrays in the MATLAB. So take down the definition. So after opening the MATLAB, the first thing you need to do is close the old programs. Okay, and open the new script. Click on the new script. So okay, so now we have opened the new script. Okay, so after this you need to add the files folders which you have created in the desktop. Okay, so how to add it? Just go to this icon, click here. Okay, and go to the desktop, select the folder which have saved all the programming files, so MATLAB programs. Okay, select this, click on the select folders. That's all. Okay, so now here you can see all the programs which you have done in the last class are visible now. Okay, now so all the files, so MATLAB these are the MATLAB scripting files, so available in the location folder path. Okay, so now we have created the new folder. Okay, we will start with the like MATLAB arrays. Okay, yes, so now write down the definition of array. Okay, so I will comment it down. Okay, so you just note down it in your notebooks. Okay, now so yes, the first concept is arrays. Okay, now so write down the definition of array. Okay, an array is a collection of values stored in a single variable. Okay, variable, full stop. Okay, and one more thing, that is in MATLAB everything is an array. Okay, so whatever the data you stored in variables, okay, like characters, integers, floatings or anything, okay, all will be saved in a type of array. Okay, so what is this array? Let us like execute examples related to the arrays. Okay, so for a simple array generation, just you can take a variable. Okay, so let us take a variable. Okay, a is equal to 1 is to 10. Okay, so it shows the like arrays from 1 to 10. Let us check it. Okay, so now we need to save this file. Okay, so we have created an array and saved it in a variable now. So now we need to save it, save the file. Okay, you can click on Control yes, or else you can go to the save option. Okay, and if you click on the run button, means it will ask for save file. Okay, so here we will save the file as array 1. Okay, array 1. So click on save. Okay, now so now we have saved the file. So here we have executed the program. Okay, now so when you click on the run button, the program executed, and here you can see workspace. Inside the workspace, the a variable contains the array from 1 to 10. Okay, now so here how to see it in the output side means just you can type a here. Okay, it's capital A, and click on enter. Okay, it will show the a value. We have created the array from the value starts from 1 to 10, so it stops at a 10. So it will create 10 arrays. 10 number array in and save it in a single variable. Okay, so this is called as an array. Okay, so next you can try it for one more example. So that is so when you need to flip the array. Okay, so same array I need to reverse it from it should start from 10 to 1. So for that you need to take one more variable, that is b is equal to flip. Okay, you need to type flip lr bracket open, so the variable name. Okay, so which array you need to like flip that array variable, and click on the run option. So here you can see in the workspace b variable is start b variable array is start from 10 to 1. Okay, like this. So to see the output in the like command window, you can just remove this semicolon, or else you can type b and enter here. Okay, so both are correct. So now I remove this semicolon and I will click on run option. So now you can see the b array is flipped. So a array starts from 1 to 10, but b array starts from 10 to 1. So b is equal to flip the array which is saved in the a variable, that is. Okay, for that purpose we use this command. Okay, so let us remove this semicolon. You can see the output directly in the command window. Okay, now so how to do it? Just remove the semicolon in every lines, that's all. Okay, so here now you can see in the output side a array. This is the a array which start from 1 to start from 1 and ends at the 10. But b array is a flipped a array. Okay, so because it start from 10 and ends with 1. Okay, so it is a reverse action of the a variable. Okay, now and next let us try one more concept. So that is, let us find the length of the array. Okay, so to find the length of the array, you need to take one variable. So I will take variable n. Okay, n is equal to length. Okay, L is equal to length of a. So you can write a variable or b variable. Okay, both are correct. So let us run this program now. Okay, so if you run means it shows 10. Okay, now it shows 10. So the array count is 10, that's why it is showing 10. So like if you make this array as 12, so I will start from 1 to 1 and end with 12. So let us run this. Here you can see the a array is start from 1 to 12, b array is from 12 to 1, and n, that is length of the array, is 12. Okay, like this. And one more, that is a mean. Okay, so it shows the mean value. Okay, for that you need to type the command mean. For sum you need to type sum. Okay, so if you need the maximum value, so max. So for that there are multiple instructions. So let us take one more variable. Okay, yes, we will sum the array a. Okay, let us add all the numbers inside the a variable. Okay, sorry. So s is equal to, so let us sum all the variable inside the a. Okay, let us run this one. Yes, so if you add all these numbers, then you will get the value 78. Okay, sum, s is equal to sum. Okay, so here I will comment it down. You can refer it. Okay, so first line we have taken we have built an array. Okay, generate array. Okay, and in the second line, so I will just comment it down. Okay, so we have flipped a array inside the a. Okay, and next, in the next line we have found the length of the array. Okay, length.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, screen visible ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
is it available?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so yes, this first line generates an array from 1 to 12. Okay, then this second line, so which flips the array inside the a variable. Okay, so like I have written in the comment, okay, flipped array inside the a. Next, so if you write length a means it will show the length of the array a. Okay, I will show it in the output in a comment window. So after this, if you write sum a means it will add all the values inside the a array and it will show it inside the comment window. Okay, let us run this program. Okay, yes, so in the command window you can see the values. Okay, so a array, we have created the a array 1 to 12. So here it has created 1 to 12 array. Next, b, so b we have flipped the array inside the a. Okay, so that means it start from 12 and ends with 1. Okay, then we have taken n variable and we have checked the length of an array a. So the length of the array is 12. Okay, there are 12 numbers, so that's why the length is 12. After that, yes, we have taken the s variable and we have done sum a. Sum a is nothing but it will add all the values inside the array and it will show it. Okay, na? So yes, this is the addition of values inside array a. So you can take any array. Okay, na? So you can take b or else you can take n. Okay, n is not an array, so it is just a value. Okay, so it will show exact same value. Okay, next you can try the maximum value. So which is the maximum value? For that I will take the variable mx is equal to max a. Okay, what it will show means it will show the maximum value of the array a. Yes, so here you can see mx is equal to 12. Mx is equal to 12 is nothing but 12 is the largest number in that array. Okay, now so that's why it is showing 12 value. Okay, now so, yes, so it shows the largest number in the array. Okay, next for the minimum you can take the variable called mn is equal to min bracket a. Okay, so let us run this simulation. So the minimum value is 1. Okay, so for that you need to smallest number in the array. Okay, now next you have the mean. M is equal to mean a. It will show the mean value. Okay, mean value is not is a 6.5. This is the average. You can call it as average. Mean is nothing but average. Mean value of the array. Okay. Next, you can also like reshape the arrays. Okay, now. So let us take an example of R. R is equal to reshape. Okay, 1 is to 6 comma 2 comma 3. So let us check this output now. Okay. So, yes, so now you can see reshape is nothing but like it creates an array. So 1 is to 6, okay, 2 comma 3, okay, now like that. So it is a matrix, so nothing but a matrix which is 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so the numbers start from 1 to 6 with the matrix of 2 comma 3. Okay, now like that you can reshape the arrays. And like if like in the mathematics and all, you can do transpose of a matrix. So here you can just do the transpose like T is equal to R. Let us do the transpose of R. Okay, transpose of R is like here, like this. Okay, T is equal to R transpose. So you can just put an single inverted comma. Okay, na? So let us run this out. Okay. Yes, so now we got the transpose matrix of R. R will be like 2 cross 3. So here you got 3 cross 2 matrix. Okay, now like this you can transpose the matrix. So these are all arrays. Okay, now so this will comes under the array topics. Okay, now so and let us check the a variable. So whether how many numbers are less greater than 5. Let us check it. Okay, so how to check it? A of A is greater than 5. Let us run this simulation. Okay, yes, so now it is showing the answer. So we have checked the logical indexing. Okay, we have done the logical indexing. So like we have checked the value. If any value is greater than greater than 5 in the A matrix, show me the values. So the values are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the values inside the array. Okay, which is in A variable. Okay, so that will be available. So if you write this command means, okay, now like this you can work with the arrays. Okay, so these are the some examples which are related to the arrays. Okay, done. So if you need to do more examples related to array means, you can do in a same program you can display all the values. Okay, so we have tried generate an array from 1 to 12. Okay, after that we flipped it. Okay, after that we checked the length. Okay, and we have done the sum. Okay, sum of values inside the arrays. Next we have found the maximum value, that is the largest number in the arrays. Okay, then smallest number in the array. Okay, after that we have checked the average value of the array. Okay, then reshape is nothing but it will create 3 cross 2 array. Okay, then we have done the transpose of transpose of R. Okay, R. Next we have checked the value, how many values and what are the values greater than 5 in the array which is saved in the A variable. Okay, so list values greater than 5 in the A. Okay, like this. So these are the like simple examples in the array method. Okay, now Yes. So if you have any doubts in this concept means you can ask. Okay. Otherwise, we will move to the next topic. Okay. So I will not go in depth about the programming side. Okay. Because so here in the electric vehicles course, we are mainly concentrated on the simulation part. Okay na? So I am explaining these, just you need to know before start going to the Simulink. Okay na? So directly when you go directly to the Simulink, so if you will not understand the program scripting part. When you are doing projects and all, you need to combine both Simulink and MATLAB scripting. Okay, so on that time you will get confused. For that you need to first work in the MATLAB scripting part. You should write the program, you should understand how the programming works and all. So after that you can move to the Simulink library. Okay now. So like not only these examples, so after the class ends I will give some assignment questions, solve that and try maximum examples in your homes. Okay now, don't sit in idle. Okay, so just check the topics and you will get the multiple examples, try to solve them. Okay, try to get the output in the MATLAB itself. Okay, don't do it another tool, don't use the another tools. So you execute inside the MATLAB only. Okay, then only you will come to know about the MATLAB software, and you will explore more things in the MATLAB simulations. Okay na, done. So these are the general topics. Okay na, so you can mix with the electric vehicle concept also. Just here we have done the general concepts. Okay na, so max, sum, length and all. So you can implement normal electrical vehicle values like battery, voltage, currents and all for this. Okay, so that is also you can do. Okay, so then we will go to the structure. Okay, let us understand what is the structure in the scripting. Okay, so take down the topic structures. So I will comment it down, definition structures. Okay na, and write on the definition. It is a data type that groups related data using field names. Okay, so these are useful for EV parameters. Okay, like useful for EV parameters like battery, motor, speed, okay, power, etc. Okay na? So it is a nothing but a data type that groups related to related data using field names. Okay na? So you will yes, sorry, yes. So let us try the first program. Okay, then only you can understand. Yes, so the first example which is related to electric vehicles, let us take the speed value. Okay na? So EV dot speed is equal to 60. Okay na? So then we will take one more value, that is EV dot SOC is nothing but a state of charge value. Okay, 80. Okay, so here you can see these are the data types. Okay, so these are the data types. Speed value is 60, SOC is nothing but a state of charge, that is 80%. Okay, we have used the same field names, EV dot. Okay na, so both are interlinked. Okay, so let us run this program. So this is the structure part. Okay na, so that's why I save it as structure 1. Save. Okay, So here you can see, yes, so here it has created workspace. Inside the workspace we can see there is a EV. So inside this structure we have saved two values, one is speed, one is state of charge. Okay, so it will show like this. If you create the structure means it will show like this, and also it will show 1 cross 1 structure like that. Okay na? So this is a one method to create a structure. Okay, yes, so in the outputs you can see EV is equal to EV. Inside EV there is a speed which is 60, and in the same structure there is a SOC, that is state of charge, 80. Okay, so like this you can create the structure. Inside the single field name you can include more number of data types. Okay na? So you can also include the motor speed. Here there is a speed and SOC. You can include voltage, current, power. Okay, all the values inside a single field name. Okay, that is called as structure. So let us try like multiple examples, then only you can easily understand the structure topic. Okay, so then yes, so after this we can execute one more semicolon. I will put the semicolon. So after semicolon you need to display the EV means just you can type the disp. Okay, EV. So after this it will display the EV value. Okay, so this is also easy one. Okay, so if you run means it will show the output structure 1. So inside the EV, so there will be two values, one is speed, one is SOC. Okay na? Yes, so let us do one more examples. So I will use the same scripting part. Okay na? So but program is different. Okay, so then I will add multiple entries in a same name. Okay, so that is EV1. I will take speed value is equal to 50. Okay, semicolon, and in the EV2 I will take the speed value as 70. Okay, 70, semicolon. Okay, then I will write EV dot speed. Okay, let us check the output here. Okay, so if you run means then it will show the value here. Okay, it will check both the speed values. EV dot speed means it will show both the values, that is one speed is 50, one is 70. Okay, where you have saved different values in the different different field names. Okay na, like, and how to check the whether the names data types are there inside here the structure, inside the structure. How to check it means, so just you can write his field EV comma SOC bracket close. Okay, you can just run this one. Okay na, EV is equal to speed also. Is filled EV sorry, so this we need to I think we need to delete this one. Let us run this program. Yes, so it works perfectly now. Okay na, so better we will take one more scripting sheet and we will execute the program there. Okay na, yes, we will write the same program here. Yes, we will save this. So here we will take structure 2. Okay, let us run this one. Yes, we got the answer here. One is 50, 70, that is speed. Okay, and then the answer is 1. So answer is 1, that is nothing but if there is an SOC inside the EV like EV structure, that is yes. Okay, now so let us take one more, that is voltage, whether there is an voltage inside the structure part. It shows the answer 0. Why? There is no voltage value inside the structure. There is only SOC and speed. Okay, only two data types. One is speed, one is SOC. Other than that, it will give 0. Okay, so if you write speed means it will show 1. Answer will be 1. Yes, so here we got the answer 1 because there is an data type called speed inside the structure called EV. Okay, done. So like this you can use multiple instructions in the structure part. And if you like, you need to change the name of the field, so then you can write like this. Okay, EV dot new speed. Okay, I will change the speed as new speed. Okay, for that you need to type EV dot new speed is equal to EV dot speed. Okay, it changes the like value of the name, rename it, renames the speed into new speed. Okay, let us run this code. Yes, we need to execute this line of code in the next script. Okay, yes, let us try this instruction inside the first program here. Okay, so this instruction is not working. Let us skip this one. Okay. So then we have multiple instructions. You can copy the structure, you can clear the structures. Okay, and you can check the structure size, that is also available. Okay, no? So like this you can do multiple examples. Okay, so try to execute more examples related to the structure part. Okay, and we'll go we'll solve one more example related to the structure part. Okay, yes, so just we will write the program. Okay, so let us write. Okay, let us take an EV. Okay, EV which is a car. Okay, in that we will take multiple values. Let us first there will be a voltage. Okay, voltage we will take it as 110. Okay, so after that in the same electric vehicle there will be a current value we will take it as 20. Okay, then we will take the battery voltage is nothing but 80. Battery percentage is 80%. Then car, let us take a speed value. Speed is equal to 100. Okay, So one more value, that is car dot power. So you can take the power also. So we will take like speed is also finished, battery done, current, temperature. We will take a temperature value. Temperature value is equal to 35. Okay now, so these are the values we have taken till now. Okay, so then we will display all the values. Okay, car, if you need car voltage means you can display the voltage. Okay, then you can if you need any battery or speed value means you can just write car dot speed. Okay, semicolon. Okay, now, so now you can see first we have written the voltage value. So voltage value is nothing but 110, so it is showing 110 here. Okay, now then we have written car speed, so it shows 100. Okay, now like this you can create a structure which includes multiple data types. Okay, so here we have taken multiple values inside the same structure, that is car. One structure, car is nothing but a structure. These voltage, current, battery, speed, temperature, all these values are the data types which are inside the single structure. Okay, done. So this is all about the structure. Okay, so then we will go to the next topic, that is cell arrays. Okay, next concept is cell arrays. Cell arrays. Okay, so what are the cell arrays? Take down the definition. The cell array stores different types of data in one container. Okay, so either it can be numbers, okay, or text or arrays, anything. Okay, all in a single container. Okay, data types of data in one container. Okay, so before we are saving only values, okay, only numbers in the arrays. Now you can save numbers, text, arrays inside the arrays. That is called as cell arrays. Okay, so let us execute the first program. We will take an variable called c. C is equal to cell 1 3. Okay, so let us run this code. Cell array 1. Yes, so here you can find now there are 3 arrays inside a single variable, that is array. Okay, inside the array there are 3 arrays. Okay, we have created 3 cells inside an array. Okay, that means you can save any values inside this same arrays. Okay, now so that is called as cell array. So let us try one more example. So let us fill the cell 1. Okay, let us fill the cell 1. Cell 1 we will fill the value 10. Okay, so 10 value is saved in the cell 1. So let us save cell 2. So name it as car. So let us save the name car inside the cell 2. Okay, now semicolon. So let us run this simulation. So now we have added the cell 1, cell 2, so you can just check the answer here. So you can just type C, click on enter. So in the first cell we have saved 10, and second cell we have saved the value car. Okay, name is nothing but a car. So in the third, if you need to change the third, means just you can add cell 3 with whatever name you need. Okay, so cell 3 is equal to so let us display Davanagere in the cell 3. Okay, so after this you can type C here. Okay, it will show the output. Yes, so here you can see first. Yes, so C cell array. Okay, C is nothing but a cell array which contains the numbers, characters. Okay, so in the first cell we have saved the value 10. Okay, in the second cell we have saved the name car, and in the third cell we have saved the name as Davangere. Okay, yes, like this you can change the cell names. Okay, so these are called as cell arrays. So let us check the size of an cell. Okay, for that you need to type size C. Okay, so just click on the run option. So you will see 1 3. So it says 1 cell and 3 arrays inside that. Okay, it is a 1 array and it is having 3 cells. Okay, and let us check the length of the C array. Okay, so for that you need to just type length of C. Okay, just click on the run option. You will see 3. Length is nothing but a number of cells inside that array. Okay, that is 3. Then if you need to like delete one cell, so I will delete cell 2. For that you need to sorry, I will put semicolon every line. Then I need to delete the cell 2. So I need to delete the cell 2. For that you need to write cell 2 is equal to, okay, that's all. So it deletes the cell 2. So let us check it. Yes, so now you can see in the output side C is equal to 10 and there is no second cell, that is car. Okay, now so now the third cell is displayed, that is the Davangere. Okay, now so now if you check the length, length means it will show 2. Okay, why means we have deleted one cell, that is 2, cell number 2. So just you can copy this length line and put it after this line. So now you can see the length will become 2. Okay, so like this you can delete or add, okay, or make changes, find its length, size. So I will only like execute simple and less examples because there is more number of topics when it comes to the programming part. Okay, so you can try more and more examples by going online platforms or anything. Okay, so you can refer that one and you can execute multiple programs related to the topics. Okay, now so after this the next topic you can like import, export the excel sheet data in the MATLAB. Okay, so either you can import the like already saved Excel sheet to the MATLAB, or else you can create one Excel sheet and you can include values to that sheet. Okay, that is also available in the MATLAB. Okay, so before that we will execute one more cell array example. Okay, so I think you like you got you got little bit confusion about cell arrays. Okay, so let us execute one more examples related to the cell array. Okay, so what is it means, we will add number, after that we will add characters, after that we will add one more array inside the array. Okay, so then it will become cell arrays. Okay, so for that I will take a variable called c. You can take any variable. Okay, now then open the flower bracket. So first cell is 10, I will give the value as 10 or 100, I will give that 100. Okay, then you can add the characters ev. Okay, comma, so then open the square bracket. So this is a second cell. Okay, so ev is nothing but a second cell, 100 is nothing but a first cell where we have saved the numbers. In the second cell we have saved the characters ev. Okay, so in third cell we will save one array, one space 2. Okay, close the bracket, close the flower bracket, that's all. Okay, so let us run this program. So we'll save it as cell array. So you can use underscore to combine both the files, both the words. Yes. So if you run this like cell array means it will show the answer here 100 EV. So this here it will show 1 cross 2 double. Okay, that means here we have taken to one space 2. There is nothing but a array. Okay. So if you like you need to display separately means just you can type disp. So we will first display the cell 1. Okay, so for the cell 1 you will write 1, close the bracket, semicolon. So like this you can write for 3 cells. Okay, cell 1, cell 2 and cell 3. Okay, let us run this program. Okay, so here you can see the first cell. So here we have missed a semicolon. Yes, okay, sorry. Yes, so here the cell 1 contains 100. Okay, na? So cell 1 contains 100 value and cell 2 contains the characters, that is EV characters, and cell 3 contains 1, 2. This is nothing but an array. Okay, like this you can save either numbers, either the characters, either the arrays itself in a cell array. Okay, that is called as a cell array, which is included with the multiple values. Okay, values or cells or anything. Okay, okay, completed these examples. So I will show one more time. First we have done the array example. Okay, na? So here we have done multiple operations. Okay, so this should be done in the separate script page, but here like I have written in the same sheet. Okay, so you can change it to a new file. Okay, or you can execute in the same one. And these are all the commands. This is the actual program. Okay, so after the array we have done the structure. Okay, so this is the second example and this is the third example. Okay, now then we have done with the cell arrays. Okay, and these are example 2. Okay, these are the examples. Then we will go to the next topic, that is import and export. You can import and export a file inside the MATLAB software, that is. So I will write on the next topic, import and export the data. Okay, import and export the data. Okay, so here you can just check the variables inside the any like any files. Okay, so for that you need to use the command called load. Okay, so if you use the command load, means it will show the value of the variable. So you should also mention the file name. Okay, so now write in the definition. So import and export data is nothing but to read and write the data files. Okay, now so write down the definition. Sorry, I will type it here only. Okay, so import or export is used to read and write data files. Okay, so either it can be anything. Okay, so let us consider CSV. Okay, either it can be in CSV or Excel sheet. Either it can be Excel sheet or it can be MATLAB mat file. Okay, into MATLAB. Why you should import and export the files, means for the analysis purpose. Okay, so for the analysis purpose, we will include and we will import and export the data from the different types of files. Okay, okay, so let us try the first program. Okay, now so now we have the variables called ans, c and car. So for that we will write command called save. Okay, data dot mat. Okay, comma a. Okay, now semicolon. Okay, so we'll write import 1. So first we need to like take a variable called a is equal to 2. Yes, so here we have taken the a variable as 2. Okay, so then we have saved the a variable inside the data dot mat. Okay, so it will create one MATLAB file. Okay, and it will save that variable inside the that file. Okay, so where is the data dot mat file, means here. Okay, so this is a data dot mat. Okay, if you open this, you will find the a variable. Okay, here the a variable is 2. So let us check this. Yes, so here you can see. Data. Yes, Then we will take the variable 2, so we will save the b value as 40. Okay, then we will click on the run option. Yes, so you can save the b value in the data1. I will save the b value is data1 mat. Okay, here we have created the two data. One is data.mat, another one is data1.mat. Okay, so it's nothing but a workspace, so where we will save the variables. So here we have saved the variables a. Okay, here we have saved the variable b. Okay, like that you can save the variables inside the workspace, okay, by using these commands. Okay, now so now like create one Excel sheet in this folder, same folder, and you can get the values from that. Okay, so we will check that. So randomly we will create one Excel sheet. Okay, after creating Excel sheet, just we will import that sheet and we will get the data. So what are the numbers in that Excel sheet? Okay, how to read it? Okay, so then go to that folder. So desktop, we have created the MATLAB programs. Okay, now MATLAB programs. So here you need to create one Excel sheet. Yes, so here we have saved the data, nothing but variables. Okay, now so we'll create one Excel sheet here. Right click, go to the new and go to the Excel sheet, Microsoft Excel. So we'll name it as simple one. Okay, simple one, and we will open that Excel sheet. And here we will write a random values, okay, inside that Excel sheet. So I will write a random values here. Okay, okay, now like this. So we will write a random values. So these are the random values. Okay, so these are the values inside the Excel sheet. Okay, so now let us check these values inside the MATLAB. So we have saved the random values inside the Excel sheet. Now we will import that Excel sheet in the MATLAB. Okay, so for that you need to we will check, we'll take one more scripting. Okay, so we'll take a new scripting sheet. Okay, so for that you need to use the command called xlsread. So here we have saved the file name. Okay, xlswrite. So file name we have saved it as simple one. Okay, simple one dot xlsx. Okay, comma. So here we have saved the number in the sheet 1. Okay, so for that you need to write sheet 1, close the bracket, semicolon. Okay, so this is a simple program to read the Excel sheet. Okay, sorry, we should not use the write, we should use read. Okay, so here, so we should use read. So now we will for starting we will read, so after that you can write. Okay, now save the file. So we will save it as import 2. Okay, so now we will run this program. So to display it in the command window, just you can remove the semicolon. Here there is an okay, Excel sheet. Okay, so here simple one. Yes, so we will try load. So let us try the load option. Awesome. Yes, so when you use the load means it will show all the values inside that Excel sheet. Okay, now sorry, so the MATLAB was slow, so that's why it is not executing. So it takes some time. Okay, wait for some time, then only it will show values. Yes, so the first command was the right one, so but it was taking some time. Okay, now that's why. Okay, so now we got all the values inside the Excel sheet. Okay, what are the values we have saved it in the Excel sheet, we got it inside the MATLAB. Like this you can access the Excel sheet using the MATLAB. Okay, now so now if you need to change any columns or any rows, you can just use the command called XLS write. Okay, let us try that one also. So for that you need to write XLS write. So there is a name that is simple1 dot XLSX sheet sorry, so first you need to take the like column. Okay, column and rows, you need to add the column and rows. So let us check the column and rows inside the Excel sheet. Okay, open the Excel sheet. So here this is the first one, and here there is an columns. Okay, these are the rows. Okay, now so first we'll change the like A column. Okay, A column and a one row. Okay, so let us change this value. Okay, so for changing it you need to write XLS write comma A comma sheet 1. Okay, then again comma A1. So it should be single inverted comma inside the single inverted comma. Yes, close the bracket, semicolon. Okay, now it is showing for the first one. So I will remove the semicolon of the second line, and again I will click on the run option. And it is showing some error related to the Excel sheets. Okay. Yes, so now it is showing the answer. So again it is showing the error. Okay. Sorry, so both program we cannot run it at the same time. First we will remove this first line. Okay. So like it is showing, like here you can see here. Okay. The workbook you are trying to save as the same name as currently open the workbook. Okay, so only one time the file should be accessed. Okay, so let us run this simulation. So this line, what it will do means it will show, it will write the Excel range. So what is the what is the range of the Excel sheet and all. Okay, for that we will use this command. Okay. Yes, so like one method I have shown in this like importing the Excel sheet. Okay, so how to import the values from the Excel sheet. So this is available in the MATLAB. Okay, you can use this line. Okay, Excel is read simple on must be the same name which you have created the Excel sheet. Okay, other than this it will give the error. Okay, so let us I will change the name. Okay, so I will give 1, so it will not display any file because the name is different compared to that old one. Okay, now so always you should use the same name of the file. Okay, done. Yes, so you can import any types of files. Okay, like you can import CSV files. Okay, CSV files are nothing but like Word files. So you can import that files also into the MATLAB. Okay, so the options you need to check is this one, folder include. Okay, that must be inside the desktop. Okay, otherwise it will give the error. Okay, so that one you need to check it. And also one more thing, that is correct file name. Okay, so when both matches, then only the program is executed. Okay, otherwise it will give the error. Okay. Okay, so that is about this today's class. Okay, now, so if you have any doubts related to this